Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, O for Olivia. And today, we are going to unbox the Hello Kitty and Kuromi blind boxes from Moech and the Gashapon balls from Gashapon Philippines as well. And first, we are going to open the Hello Kitty and Kuromi blind boxes from Moech. First is Kuromi. And we got the Rose Garden one. Wow, it's literally finally got it.
Ayusin mo.
She's so cute. Oh, she's totally cute.
Ganda ba?
Oh, you think of her, she's so cute.
Okay. Ganda.
Oh my God. Another turtle literally finally did it.
Ganda.
And we got Hangyodo. Hello Kitty, pag-iwakit. And this is Pom Pom Puri. And we got Rico. Rico Amanay, if that's her name, I don't know. And we got Cinnamon. Next, we got my Melody riding on the horse. got Kuromi. We got Hello Kitty. Look, we got Aqua and Akane. So guys, we finally opened them all. So how do you like them? Don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe button. See you all on the next video. Have a nice day.